Hello everyone. As you might know, Commodore 64 is capable to connect with internet, of course with a little bit of help from hardware. This is a 64 NIC Plus cartridge from individual computers I used to surf over internet and also to work on one of my games, just to send some data and retrieve some data from API. I'm going to share some links to other videos in description. But this cartridge actually uses the expansion port of the Commodore 64, which means that you cannot put anything there more than that. And of course, the other thing is that it uses the cable over here, and the Ethernet cable. So still, it's one of the best solutions I found for Commodore 64. Most recently, I got another thing which it's not assembled yet, but I got it just in this package. It's called WiC64. It's not Y, it's the from Wi-Fi, the WI. This is the wireless interface for C64, but not only, it can be used also for SX-64, C128, Commodore 128, and VIC-20. Of course, I'm using it for Commodore 64 only. I don't have any other computers, so yeah, maybe one day I will get them, but for now I'm just focused on Commodore 64. So in this video I'm going to unbox what this box has inside. Let's check, and probably in the following videos I will assemble it and show it to you in action. So please join the video if you like. Alright, so it came from Restore Store. This is the shop in Germany. It's actually quite lightweight. So to open it, of course, I have to break the seal, the tape. I'm always using the screwdriver to open stuff. It works for everything, also for setting the head fit in my tape deck. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, there is some nice, yeah, the invoice. And here, yeah, this is what we got. This is something which needs to be assembled. This is wow, Haribo, nice. Coke. I really like the Coke one. That will help me to assemble the whole thing, hopefully, just to have more patience. It's actually all, I think it looks like it's set. I haven't read any instructions yet, but I think I still have to assemble a few bits, because there's an LCD, I think, and yeah, that's all of the package. So I think I have to assemble a few things. This one has an expansion port already in, but it needs to be soldered out as well. Soldered in. So this is not going to be a hard task for sure. Okay, so this is how it looks. WiC64 mouse inside. Very nice. And also there's the Lazy Jones and the Kiwi. Yeah, the adapter. That's really nice. And the PCB design from 2021, so it's quite new. Then this is a dev kit. So of course you have to be able to know how to use the soldering tools, but I hope it's not going to be that hard. I'm not really good at this, but I think I will manage. Okay, this one, let's open. So this is some, I even don't know what is that. I'm going to check that later. But yeah, this is LCD for sure. It contains some little scratches, I guess, but maybe this can be cleaned. Okay, so then this one, the LCD. I have to read the instructions, but I guess this is OLED, so it has to go this or another way. Alright, and then this guy over here. Scratch. Okay, so there are a few things to assemble. The good thing about it is that it can be attached to user port, so the expansion port is still free and can be used for attaching some cartridge. So actually this enables the whole world of using some custom software and connecting to internet at the same time. Of course, this is also possible with this card, because you can just attach any EEPROM, or I think EEPROM actually, or maybe even EEPROM for this cartridge. But my point here is that you just cannot, for example, create a game, which I am thinking of, that could connect to the internet. You would need to just put the ROM inside the existing cartridge solution. So this is nice because you can swap cartridges with games, and they can connect to internet. I don't know about the possibilities that much yet. I read a few documents and was able to find some information. So yeah, I'm going to definitely try to see what this cartridge solution has to offer. WiC64. I'll put all details in the description, and see you in the next video, where I will try to show you that thing in action. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you my solder skills, because they are quite poor, but probably I will try to record something and show you how easy or not it's to assemble this cartridge, and how it works with my Wi-Fi network connected to Commodore 64. Thanks for watching, and I'm never saying that, but actually feel free to subscribe, and if you like my videos, then there are plenty others, so hopefully you will find this channel interesting. In the meantime, I'm leaving you, and yeah, let's see what this cartridge has to offer. I'm really excited about it. See ya in the next video. Bye.